In this video, we'll help you understand how YouTube paid memberships such as YouTube Premium and Music Premium are billed and charged to your account. If you're seeing an unexpected charge from YouTube on your credit card or bank account, it could be for several reasons. If you believe you were charged too much, this could be due to an adjustment to tax rates related to your paid membership. Another reason could be that you may have upgraded to a family plan. Monthly billing charges will be higher than it was for an individual plan. Your bank or card company may charge additional fees for international transactions depending on your location. Additionally, there could be charges in the total amount due to the conversion between your local currency and US dollars. You may also see an authorization hold for the amount, similar to your monthly billing charge. If your account was charged multiple times, this could be for several reasons. One of them could be because you're subscribed to another Google product or service. Go to pay.google.com to check your Google Pay account to confirm the details on the charge and to verify if it's from a YouTube paid membership. Another reason that you could see multiple charges from YouTube is that you have more than one account with a YouTube paid membership. You or someone with access to your account may have signed up using another email, device, or billing platform. Finally, you may be seeing an authorization hold or pending charge to your account. If you see a charge on your card or bank statement for a digital purchase on YouTube that you didn't make, you can report the charge to our support team within 120 days of the transaction. To learn more about how billing works for YouTube for your account, check out the links in the description of this video. Thanks for watching.